Hi, Grade Prep 1. We are going to learn the I sound for the IE sound today. First, we're going to have a look at some of our other jolly phonic sounds. We've got J, 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 J. We've got B, 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 B. We've got the A sound, the A-I, A. For you. R, R, for ah. A, for A. E, for E. I, for I. K, for K. Sound, the A sound, P, for P. G, for G. S, for S. For O. For H. For N. Ooh, for L. T, for T. D, for D. For M. K, for C. For F. Okay, let's continue on. Okay, let's have a look at our story.
Clive has been invited to a party. His dad is a sailor in the Navy and has given Clive a hat from his ship. Clive wants to dress up as a sailor like his dad and wear the hat to the party. His mother makes him a sailor's outfit. Just before the party, Clive's dad comes home on leave. Clive insists on wearing his new outfit to meet him off the ship. He waves and waves when he sees his dad and runs up and gives him a big hug. Dad admires his outfit and says, "If you are a sailor, you will have to learn how to salute and say, 'Aye, aye.'" When they get home, he shows Clive how to salute. Clive has a go in front of the mirror, saluting and saying, "Aye, aye."
So our jolly phonics action is aye. Like we are saluting, aye. Let's listen to our song.
The captain said aye.
So the captain said aye.
Stand up straight, don't be late. The captain said aye. When the captain walks across the deck, instead of saying hi, the sailors all stand up tall. The sailors all stand up tall. The sailors all stand up tall. Salute and say aye, aye.
Okay. All right, now we are going to write the I sound. Remember, you can practice in the air, you can practice on the floor, you can practice on somebody's back. Let's have a look. So we're going to go down the middle, loop it around and finish with the dot. in the middle, loop it around and finish with a dot. Okay, let's have a look at some words with the I sound in it. We've got I, tie. I, pie. I, lie. I, die. And that's all we're going to do for the I sound.